Okay, Sal is here, is going to explain to us what actually happened here. So let me just back up to show you that this steel beam here, the big space, you can see that this beam fell down approximately 7 inches. The guys are at work here preparing. But Sal, tell us what happened here.
What happened here was that they put a beam, so a piece of beam inside this foundation, straight,
Original.
Then they figured out they put the stairs, they cut over here, so soon they cut it. Soon they cut it because there wasn't no footing, no pile. Because every column of this, they have a pile.
You mean these white ones have a pile on them,
That's
right?
a pile. This doesn't have a pile. No, it was on top of 4-inch of concrete, 3-inch of concrete. That's why I went down 6 inch. Because the bottom of this beam is here now.
Right.
Eventually, it wasn't here.
Original.
But with the time and little by little, because of this ground is all backfilled. That's why they did a pile and gray beams. So see the gray beams? Yeah. That's what they call the gray beams. These are the gray beams between column and column. On the ground, you can see it's empty because it is all empty because you have a wood on the bottom and plus you have a floor that your time is, I believe, it went down. The ground you can see is water. See the ground? Because eventually another 2 feet down you have a water on this area.
It's a high groundwater.
High groundwater. That's why they did it on pile. You see, there's no footing.
Oh, so you're saying the design of the building.
Yeah, they designed the building, everything is on pile. Under this concrete is a pile.
Right, goes all the way down.
Under this wall. When you
Right.
go down, this they call a cap, concrete cap. So you have all over. Matter of fact, if you see over there, it's all hollow. All right, this area we're gonna take care of the right way. Plus, we do footing for the stairs, for the column, and we do with the rebar, concrete. Eventually, we're gonna pick it up with that steel.
You're going to jack it up?
We're gonna jack it up to like 6 inch,
Okay.
and we're gonna check it up. On this area too. We're gonna check it up to this area.
That area fell down too?
That area fall down too because one day put the stairs and they don't did the right job. See, they don't use it no tickle, they don't use it nothing. So I'm gonna take care of this with a column.
Okay.
We're
So you're
gonna
going to put a new column in
New
this
column
corner.
over here and new column over
A
here.
new column over here sitting on concrete with rebar. basically.
Rebar, correct.
All right, so that should be it for now, Sal.
Thank
Right?
you very much.
Okay.